If you've been watching this channel for any length of time, you know that most of my trips, well, in fact, all of them, have started out with me getting on my motorcycle, leaving my driveway, riding cross country for 30, 50, even 65 days before returning back home on my motorcycle. Now, these trips have, of course, been fantastic. I've really enjoyed them. But as of late, I've been getting a little tired of making that slog from the East Coast past the Mississippi before I get out to the beautiful areas in the West. So I've been thinking maybe it's time to travel a little differently. Maybe it's time to throw the bike on the back of my truck or on a trailer and then head out to a place where I can set up camp and then really spend some time riding and exploring in a given area. Given that I would have my truck when I go on these kinds of trips, I can of course carry a lot more things. I can carry my big 6-person tent that allows me to stand up in. I can carry a camping cot or a big mattress that allows me to get a much better night's sleep. And I can carry items like the one I'm going to talk about today. And that product is the Ogery F11 camping fan. For me, one of the keys to getting a good night's sleep when I'm camping, especially when it's hot out, is to keep the air moving inside that tent. So I've always carried some kind of fan with me even when I'm on the bike. Usually it's a small fan that, has an internal battery. However, being that I would have the truck, I can carry something a little larger like the F11. The Ogery F11 fan comes with a 7-inch set of blades and has a rechargeable 20,000 milliamp battery. You can change the speed of the wind that you're getting from the fan, as well as you can regulate its oscillation from 30 degrees to 120 degrees. You can also set the fan to run for a certain amount of hours, between 1 and 8 hours. All of these features can be controlled with a set of buttons or a dial on the face of the fan, but you can also change them with the remote control that is included with the purchase. And another cool feature is that the Ogery F11 fan can double as a tent light. There is a nighttime mode that turns out all of the lights on the unit, and it has a cool hook on the bottom that will allow you to hang the fan inside your tent or recreational vehicle. While I haven't had a chance to go camping with a fan yet, I have used it by my bedside and found it to work quite well in keeping the air moving on a warm spring night. If, like me, you're interested in setting up a car camping kit, well, check out the Ogery F11 fan. It retails for $79.99, but right now there's a discount code out on Amazon that brings it down to $49.99. And if you use the link in the description of this video, well, you can get an additional 10% off with that code. As always, do your own research, make your own decision, and keep riding safe and keep squeezing your lemon.